Hello everyone, this is Hardik Patel from eComHardy.com, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide these annoying notices on the header bar of WordPress website admin panel. Sometimes you can see like you will have a bunch of notices shows up here and it takes like most of the header room and you have to scroll down a lot to just access your normal task. It is so annoying and disrupting, so you can use one of the free plugins to hide these notices. I'll show you. Simply go to plugin, add new, and here on the search bar, simply search for hide admin notices and you will find bunch of options. These two plugins work similar way. I use hide admin notices from Pontet Labs, but you can also use this plugin as well because it works the same way. Hide admin notices plugin is compatible with my version of WordPress, so I will go with this one. Simply install now and activate. As soon as you activate, this option will come up and it will hide the notices straight away. By any chance, if you want to show the notices, simply click on this button and it will expand all the notices. So done, easy as is. Hope you enjoy watching this video guys. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.